What's up, travelheads? Today we're here with LifeOfBD and we're gonna be eating at a 7-Eleven in South Korea.
So yeah, in case you guys didn't know, I do have a son right here, right, Theodore? So yeah, we are gonna go to 7-Eleven right now and go grab some food. Let's go. What are we gonna get?
Ice.
What drink are you getting? Okay. Can you give me a small cup as well? Can you guess what drink I will be getting?
I'm guessing the ice hazelnut?
Yes. Can I get a small one? All right.
Small.
Let's go check out the chips. You know what? There's a lot of the chips we have already in the States, but look at this one. I've never seen this type of hot Cheeto, strawberry flavor hot Cheeto. Whoa! Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. We got to put it in the cart, right? What's that?
I don't know. I think a fried chicken biscuit.
Check that out. Fried chicken biscuit. Biscuit. What candies? Oh, look at these.
Ooh.
Which one are you going with?
I will be going with the black bean noodle spicy one.
Again? And for the sake of this video, I'll be going with the OG, the Shin ramen. And then not just that, we're also gonna be picking our toppings with it because we're actually gonna eat it here at 7-Eleven. What do you think I should have with it? Is this the fish cake? Is it? Unfortunately, I really want an imitation crab with it, but they don't have imitation crab here. No. And are you gonna get an unigiri too?
Yes, I will.
What is all this?
Alright, so we have tuna mayo, we have tuna fried kimchi, kimchi fried rice, pasta kimchi fried rice, spam, egg mayo, tuna mayo, rice.
Just a good amount of flavors here, as you can see as well. And we also have kimbap. We also have a lot of kimbap here and a lot of other food.
Tuna kimchi fried rice.
I kind of want one of these two. This is a jajang egg fried cheese. And I don't know what this one is, but it has a crab logo. So it kind of makes me want to grab this one.
Oh, there's two of them.
Oh, it's a 2-for-1. No, I think I'm okay. I'll grab this one. See what ice creams they have. Is there? Oh, I know what ice cream you get. This one. We're gonna need to grab one of this. We'll just share this one. Oh, classic.
Classic milk.
Of course, you have the almond nuts. Are you excited for this?
Yes, I am. We have a hot dog. I hear a big hot dog. This is a very savory hot dog. Okay. We have two.
Shin ramen right here.
I need to go into it.
So we got all our stuff here. We're gonna try to melt plastic.
Guy. Tiny guy, man. Is it hard?
It's like ice balls.
So good.
Alrighty. Cheers, boy.
Cheers. Now the kick.
Add a little extra to it. Bye. Alright.
That's a spicy ramen.
Oh, spicy?
Holy.
I thought it wasn't spicy.
Oh. Wow. I thought only the oil was spicy.
Oh. This isn't fish cake, bro. I like that little crunch when the skin.
Oh, mine you had to open it like this.
Wow. Smell it. Strawberry. It's a paw. Yeah, that's a really strong strawberry taste.
I have a mini drumstick right here. See?
Mini drumstick. They are mini, for real.
They have like no chicken flavor, but they do have like a corn chip type of taste.
Ah, dude, it's so messy. Uh-oh, uh-oh, it's a mess. It's a mess. You're doing it partially right, mostly wrong. But there you go. Cheers, boy, to Seoul, Korea.
For my last day in Seoul.
So, dude, which of all the snacks was your favorite?
Onigiri.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I thought was the most interesting on my end was the milk classic ice cream. Super different. It just eating that does remind me a little of Korea. And yeah, I thought this is interesting. I really don't see this back home, so in America. But yeah, the milk classic ice cream was a wow to me. Super delicious. I'll get it again. You should if you see it out here as well. Of course, every time I'm in Korea, always gotta get just cuz. And plus, all the cafes don't even open early. That was a fun experience at 7-Eleven. The clerk was super nice.
He was actually very nice.
Because normally, when you're filming in 7-Elevens and stuff, they're not really nice. He smiled, he talked to us, everything. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe. Oh, and if you want to see my son in more of my videos, comment below and let me know. He might be in more videos in the future. Until then, travel heads.